Hello student, welcome back to our class. I hope all are fine and you are doing good. Okay. So let's start our today's class. As in our previous class we have learned about theorem. Okay. So and we have proved that theorem. Okay. We have learned about the quadrilaterals. Okay, so let's start our today's class. Okay, I will show you some object and you have to observe that object and you have to tell me what are the object. Okay, you have to name the object. Okay, so like what you can see this, like that's look like a color. Yeah, this look like a bangle also and color. Okay, very good. So what you can see this. So here you can see that it's look like a coin. Yes, yes, very good. So it's look like a coin. Okay, now you have to tell me what shapes are finding, which type of shapes you are finding in this bangle and in this coin. Yes, very good. You found that the shape of these things are the circular shape. Okay, very good. So now today's we will learn about circle and terminologies. So today's our topic will be the circle. Okay. Yes, very good. So now tell me what we use to make a circle. Okay. What this type of things we use to make a circle. Okay. Yes, very good. As we use this. Okay, okay, very good. We use compass to make a circle. Okay, very good. And we need to construct we need to take a pencil and construct a circle with the help of help of the compass. Okay, we need this compass and the pencil to draw a circle. Okay, so now what we will do, we will draw a circle. Okay, so here I cannot draw with by this pencil a circle. Okay, I will try. I will draw a circle by using this pencil only. Okay, so let's draw a circle. So I think this is not visible. Okay, so I will okay, sorry. So here I will use this kada to draw a circle. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, I have drawn a circle. As you can see, this is a circle. Okay, very good. Now you have to define this circle in your own word. What do you understand by this circle? Okay, so now you have to define the circle. Okay, so let's define the circle. So here we can see that as we can see that okay, as we can see that the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. What do you understand by this circle? Like the collection of all points, okay, in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a mixed point in the plane is called a circle. What? It's called a circle. Okay, very good. So now here what we call the length between center of a circular, what we will call to the length of between this circular shape. Okay, like a circular line were given here, like in circular line we have the center, what we call that length. Okay, so here we will call it as a radius. What we will call? We will call as radius. Okay, very good. So coming to let's move further. Okay, so now you have to tell me, as you have seen many of the object in the circular shape, and you have to give some examples of circular shape. Okay, very good. As we have seen in rivers, like the drops are coming from the tree, at that time you have seen that the circle is made of. Okay, and after that you have went to Mela, and there you have seen that the round types of that jhula was there, big jhula. Okay, that is also in circular shape. Okay, so these are the examples of circle. Okay, so very good. So here I have question for you, like a circle. I have question for you, like a circle could only have one line segment of radius. Is it true or false? Okay, you have to tell me the statement is true or false. Yes, very good. So here we can see that the statement is true. Okay, so moving further. Okay, very good. So moving further, yes, now we have to draw a circle. Okay, and we have to locate a point P outside the circle. Okay, and we have to locate a point Q inside the circle. Okay, so after that we have to locate a point R on the circle. Okay, on the circle. For that you have to do and draw the circle. Okay, so here I will do on whiteboard and you do in your notebook. Okay, so let's do and draw this circle, and you have to name this circle. Okay, so I will use this bangle to draw a circle, because we cannot use I cannot draw by a compass, because the inside the campus this will not attach. Okay, so I will draw a circle by using this. Okay, so it will be not big, so please you draw. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, like, okay, very good. Like as I have drawn, you also draw this circle. Okay, so now we can see that the circle, this is the circle. Okay, and this is the interior part of the circle, and this is the exterior part of the circle. Okay, so now what we will do, we have to name this circle, like, okay, so like this will be P. Okay, and this will be the Q, and this will be the R. Okay, so after that here what we will do, like we will name this P here. Okay, and Q here. Okay, so here we can see that the line is made of, and that line is intersecting. Okay, so now what we will call this line. Okay, so here we call a chord is a line segment joining the 2 points on the circle. Okay, so very good. Like the chord which passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter of a circle. So here we can see. Okay, here we can see that the chord is a line segment joining the 2 points on the circle. So this will be the chord. Okay, and this will be the diameter. Okay, I hope everyone is clear. Like, what is diameter? Okay, so here we can see that diameter is equal to 2 radius. Okay, very good. So now we will come to know the like diameter of the circle. Like here the chord which passes through the center of the circle is called the diameter of a circle. What? The chord which passes through the circle, center of the circle, is called diameter of a circle. Okay, so let's move further. Now you have to tell me the real examples of this. Okay, you have to locate the chord and diameter on those images. Okay, now you have to tell me the real example on which this chord and diameter are locating. Okay, so like as we have seen the wheel of the what we can say, that on Balgadi you have seen that Balgadi. In Balgadi wheel you have seen that the many chords are there. Okay, then what we chord are there, then what we can say that the diameter of the circle. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear till now. Okay, so now I have like a statement for you. Now you have to tell me which statement is correct. Like a diameter is the longest chord and a diameter is the shortest chord. Okay, so option 1 is the correct or option 2 is the correct, and both are correct, and last one option is the none is correct. Okay. Okay, so here we can see that the diameter is the longest chord. So option A will be the right answer here. Okay, so very good. So let's move further. Yes, student. Now you have to draw a circle. Again, you have to draw a circle. Okay. So let's draw one more circle here. Okay. So I will use this bangle to draw a circle. Okay, wait a minute. Like I will use again to draw a circle. Okay, I have drawn a circle. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to locate any 2 point P and Q in the circle. What you have to do, you have to locate any 2 point in this circle. Okay, so let's locate that point. Okay, so you also locate that point and I will also locate the point. Okay, so here I will give point P and here I will locate point Q. Okay, so again next what you have to do, here you have to if I tell you to separate the circle from PQ, now you have to separate this circle from this P and Q. Now then what you will get here, if we will separate from point PQ, then what you will get here? Yes, very good. So here we will get half circular ring. After separating this into two parts, then we will get half, okay, half circular ring. Yes, very good. So now here we will come to know the arc and circumference segment sector. Okay, so now tell me what do you understand by this? Okay, so here we can see that a piece of a circle between 2 points, like a piece of a circle between 2 points is called an arc. Okay, I will write here a piece of a circle between 2 points are called arc. Okay, and when P and Q are end of a diameter, like P and Q are end of a diameter, then both arcs are equal and each one is called semicircle. Okay, what will be the semicircle? When P and Q are end of a diameter, like as we can see that the end of a diameter, then both arcs are equal and each will be called as a semicircle. Okay, very good. Everyone understand? Yes, very good. Now we will come to know what is circumference. So here circumference is that the length of the complete circle. The length of the complete circle is called circumference. Okay. The length of the complete circle is called circumference. Okay, very good. So here let's move further. Now you have to expand the concept and discuss you have to discuss about this. Okay, so now what we can see here. Okay, now let's discuss. Okay, so here I have drawn one circle. Okay, so here I will point one I will give a point P and Q. Okay, and I will draw a diameter. Okay, so after that what we will call to this part, like this part is this, like this part is a major segment. Okay, and this one will be the minor segment. Yes, I hope everyone is clear. Okay, so if I draw one more circle and I name as this circle, and I made one triangle inside this and name as PQO. Okay, okay, okay. So here what we can see that this is the major sector and this is the minor sector. Okay, so now I have one question for you. RPQ of a circle we will be written as what? Okay, so now let's recapitulate our today's class. Okay, so what we have discussed and what we have learned in our today's class, we have learned about circle, radius and chord of the circle, and diameter, arc, circumference and segment and sector. Okay, so this is all for today. Okay, so now here I have homework for you. Now you have to fill up the blanks like a point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies in dash of the circle. Okay, so second, the longest chord of circle is a dash of the circle. Okay, after that I have more question for you like true or false. Okay, and after that I have one activity for you. Draw different colorful circle in chart. Now here activities that you have to mention all the terminologies on them. Okay, so thank you. This is for today's class. Okay, so now I hope everyone have write on the homework part and you will do and we will meet in next class. So thank you everyone. Okay.